Hi, this is Ro and welcome to my channel. So what I'm going to share with you rather briefly is how to replace the blade on your We Are Memory Keepers Comfort Craft Trim and Scoreboard. It's actually really easy to do when you know the key to getting this off. It was driving me crazy, so I thought I should shoot this video and share with you how to do it just in case it was driving you nuts too. So all you have to do is push your blade up towards the top, towards the inches and the large numbers right here until it can go no further. And then once you got it here, the key to getting it off is to tilt it slightly this way while pushing forward. So now we'll go ahead and do it. And you can use this other hand to just give it some support. So we're going to tilt it slightly and then push forward. And that's how you get it off. And of course, you grab your replacement blade, come back over, and getting it back on is really easy. You just want to place this little area right here on the track right here, and it'll slide right back on really easy. And that's it. Voila, you have a new blade for your trim and scoreboard. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll check you out in our next video. Thanks for watching.